CTTI is one of the leading computer institutions, with expert faculty, a practical curriculum, and modern labs for computer, professional, and technical training.
We offer various courses for children's, students, employees, and housewives. Software courses like C, C++, Python, data science, data analyst, machine learning,
basic computer, video editing, tally, graphic and web designing, web development,
full stack developer, framework, hardware and networking, CCNA, MCSA, and cloud computing.
CTTI Computer Education, Mangalore, is an ISO certified institute, established since 2007. And the fees are affordable, with installment facility.
For more details, please visit our institute opposite Hotel Rupa, below Baskin and Robbins, Bolmutta Road, Hampankota, Mangalore. Call 997 to 198683.